Hi everyone, the Tesla Model Y is back in the news again. Recently the Model Y became more affordable with the $41,990, 244-mile variant. In addition, the third-row 7-seater became available as well. Today the Tesla Model Y received its NHTSA rating, and guess what it is? The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has put the Model Y through a series of crash tests to determine the safety of the vehicle. Let's take a look at the results, but first, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and like this video to help us reach more people and create more content. By now, everyone is aware that Teslas are known for their technology and performance. One extremely underrated quality is their safety. The NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, performed numerous crash tests on the 2020 all-wheel drive long-range Model Y. There are 3 test categories: frontal crash, side crash, and rollover. A star rating is given to the vehicle based on how it performed on the test. 1 star is the lowest rating while 5 stars is the highest rating. In the frontal crash test, the Model Y received a 5-star rating in the front driver side test and a 5-star rating in the front passenger side test. The overall frontal crash test rating for the Model Y is 5 stars. The side crash test category consists of 3 tests: the combined side barrier and pole ratings test, the side barrier test, and the pole ratings test. The Model Y scored 5 stars for the front and rear seats in the combined side barrier and pole ratings test. It also received 5 stars for the driver and rear passenger in the side barrier test. And for the pole test, the Model Y scored 5 stars. The overall side crash score for the Model Y is 5 stars. Due to the higher center of gravity, a SUV has a much higher chance of rolling over in an accident, or if loss of control occurs, than a standard car does. To measure the risk of your SUV rolling over in case of an accident, or if loss of control occurs, the NHTSA performs a rollover test. Similar to the frontal crash and side crash test, the Model Y received a perfect 5-star rating on the NHTSA rollover test. The Model Y joined the Model 3, X, and S as some of the safest vehicles tested by the NHTSA. Tesla added the Model Y's 5-star achievement to their website and reinforced their focus on building cars that provide maximum safety. Do you think that more buyers will purchase the Model Y because of its 5-star safety rating? Or do you think that technology and performance will be a bigger factor in their decision? Which one means more to you? Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.